our ice chilled meat and seafood display. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 59 inches, a depth of 40 inches, and the overall height of 54 inches tall. Overall height from the legs to the bottom of the base, we have 28 inches. And the overall height from the bottom to the highest point from the back or the front of the case, we have 37 inches tall, minus the glass. Coming to the top of the display is where you store your ice to display your meats and seafoods. Coming to the bottom will be a valve to drain the ice. So whenever the ice is thawed, there will be an outlet where the ice will melt. Therefore, you can drain it with this valve here. Coming to the back or front of the display, measurements for the height from the bottom to the top. We have 42 3/4 inches. Measurements for the area for your ice. We have 56.5 inches in length, 38 inches in depth, and the overall height of 4 inches. Coming to the far left corner will be your drain for your ice. And again, on the other side of the display, on the very bottom, there will be a valve. That valve, with the turn of the handle, will release the ice that will be thawed on top towards the bottom. Caster wheels on all 4 legs with brakes will be included with this display. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.